Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I'm here to react on a new video, and this video is all about just to remind us who Simon Ekpa is, because Nigerian media and some haters of Igbo people, I don't want to say Biafra now because it's getting beyond Biafra movement. So everybody claimed that they love Biafra. Before they were saying they don't. All of them are now wearing clothes of Biafra simply because they will know that if you say no, that tendency of making more enemies is high. So to avoid it, they will claim they love Biafra. They will, hey, no, we are from we are Biafra now, but there's no case in here. Simon Ekpa and Biafra Prime Minister, okay, he is not somebody who you can say, okay, that he's stupid, he's gullible, he don't know his left and right. To remember what, I want to remind us what Simon Ekpa is doing and what he is, because some people think that he's a novice, he's somebody who don't know anything at all. But guess what? He understands everything he's doing, and people are now connecting the dots. I would like you to pay very close attention to what this man said here. I don't know him. I just stumbled on his video, and I felt that what he said is what we need to know. Some of us that know it will serve as a refreshment or a renewal of knowledge. For you to know what you already know, to remind you of those things. And that is why I'm bringing the videos to you. Please like the video and share it, comment and subscribe if you are new. We need to equip ourselves with knowledge before we go out to argue. You need to have, your brain working, and you need to have the information, proper information that you need to know and what you should stand on to do your argument, so that people will not knock you off balance. Now, let's listen to this.
People are asking question, who is this Simon Ekpa? Number one, he was in the military of Finland. He is therefore a Finland-trained military officer who is said to be combat ready based on his training over the years as a military officer in the Finnish military. Number two, he is a lawyer, and from my investigation, he is studying for his PhD in law right now, but he is a practicing lawyer in Finland, which many Nigerians who live in Finland have confirmed that he is a practicing lawyer in Finland. He understands the rudimentaries of the legal practices and the laws of Finland, which might also help him in his present case he has been tried or whatever, following his arrest. So he is in a good position to provide legal services for himself, and he knows where to go to get legal service. Number three, he is married to a Finnish woman. His wife is Finnish. His wife is Finnish. His children are also Finnish. So he's married to a Finland woman. Number four, he is also a citizen of Finland. He enjoys all the rights and privileges that other Finnish citizens enjoy. Number five, he speaks Finnish excellently. I was made to understand. He doesn't only speak it, he writes it excellently too. So he is very brilliant in the Finnish language, both as a speaker and as a writer. Number six, he has lived in Finland for over 20 years. He has lived in Finland for over 20 years. Number seven, he is an elected councillor, equivalent of a local government vice chairman in Nigeria. For example, here in Abuja, he's an equivalent of vice chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council. So he is a government official in Finland. He is a recognized government official in Finland. That was why, if you go to his bio on Wikipedia, everywhere, you see that his address as a Finnish politician. Number 8, most of the lawyers in the judiciary of Finland, he has a lot of friends because he has practiced law in Finland for a long time, and he has a lot of people who are his classmates. That's what some Nigerians who are living in Finland also confirm. So he is a government person. He's seen as a government official, and you understand the judicial system in Finland effectively. And a lot of people who are judges and what have you, they are his classmates. And also, because he's a Finnish citizen and has a wife who is Finnish, I was also made to understand that if the wife and the children go to the Finnish parliament, they can make a case for him. Number 9, he is an indigene of Ebonyi State. He is an indigene of Ebonyi State in Southeast Nigeria. While number 10 is that Simon Ekpa is social media savvy. He knows how to use the social media effectively, and he has used it effectively to do his campaign. These are some of the top 10 information that could be of use to anybody who is inquisitive, who is asking questions. Who is this Simon Ekpa that is trending?
Okay, my people, you have heard it all. I just want to refresh your memory about the person that most of somebody who is a gangster find himself in Europe working as a guard is challenging. That is why when you hear some of them making mockery of themselves, thinking that they're attacking PM always laugh at them. Oyo kanjo mo wa boy na malo e karelia. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you think that PM knows that everything, all these things that he's doing, like some people are blaming him. I can never ever. I have watched our brother Obi-Wan trying to blame him for sharing some information and all these things. I have watched Mayegu. Everybody want to, label him something that they don't know. Don't judge a book by its cover, because you are not in Finland. You don't know what he know. And PM is one of the person that I've seen that very, very careful. He don't take two chance. Somebody who before he communicate with you, he always examine you in and out. I don't need to tell you what I feel about him. I've not talked with him. We don't have any contact. But the way you're watching him is the same way I watch him. So I'm not telling you that I know him, he's this, no. But I'm telling you that if you can remove your biased mind to know who PM is, you are not going to say all these things you are saying. And mind you, in Nigeria, a PhD or professor, all of them, they don't know what human rights means. They don't know mention how many of them know international law. Remember, let me just share this story for you to know what I'm talking about. When Mazakan was rendition, or when he was kidnapped, rendition is a very nice way to judge what the case of Mazakan. But you understand what I'm trying to say. Allah Ejimako told Ifa Ejofo that this, that is a extraordinary rendition. Ifa Ejofo did not understand what it means, because Allah Ejimako is US-based lawyer. Then when he joined in the case of Mazakan and the IPOB movement and all that, he was trying to, lecture Ejiofor based in Nigeria. He lacks a lot of, things about law that in a case like Mazakan's case, that is international case. It's not a case between Nigerian circle, because it has to do with countries many countries like UK and Kenya and all that. So what I'm trying to tell you is that somebody who know international law will always have upper hand than a local lawyer. That you said that you see now, you are seeing them sitting down on the channel TV, those Nigerian TV station and radio station, and trying to claim what they don't know. Like one girl on a FM station in somewhere in Lagos, I believe, or Port Harcourt, I don't know where her location. They once they gather in the morning, they keep on mocking themselves. E.T. Now mock over. You know, I don't want to insult anybody, but you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, tell me what you think. What do you know about Simon Ekpa? God bless you and see you again. Like this video and share it. Subscribe if you're new. Take care. Bye bye for now.